Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you will not miss a future video.
Welcome to the channel, The Tech Piano Player Kid.
A black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille. What's up, everyone? The Tech Piano Player Kid here, and I hope all of you are having a great day. And may God bless each and every one of you, and I hope you're staying safe and doing well. So I'm back again with another video of this radio that I did a couple days ago, the TalkPod A136Plus. So apparently this is a GMRS and amateur radio, I think. I did look on the FCC website, and it does seem to be FCC compliant and approved. So I'm going to go with that. And I found out something quite interesting. So it does come with the GMRS channels 1 through 22 as well as FRS. Now, let me show you something interesting.
Channel mode.
So I have it turned on. And let's see if we want to add a channel. So we can go to frequency mode by pressing and holding the menu button to go into frequency mode. Oh, try it again.
Frequency mode.
There we go. So let's enter 462.575.
4, 6, 2, 5, 7, 5.
Okay. So we can transmit. No problem. Now,
Menu.
when you go to the menu,
Frequency direction.
when you set that to plus,
Confirm.
so I'm going to assume that's on plus, I hope, and then go down to one more,
Offset frequency.
and when you set the offset frequency, that'd be 0050000.
0, 0, 5. 0, 0, 0, 0.
And confirm that.
Confirm.
Now, when you go to CTCSS,
CTCSS.
and we'll enter the frequency here,
Confirm.
confirm it, and then
CTCSS.
the transmit, and confirm it.
Confirm.
Now, listen to what happens when I try to transmit. You get the error beep. It won't let me transmit. It won't. So I had to look this up and what was going on here. Now, you could do this two ways. You could either A, reset the whole radio back to factory defaults, which I would not recommend, or turn off the radio. Now, this takes a little bit of hand coordination to do this, but press and hold the talk button and the number 8, and then while you're holding those, turn on the radio. Now let go.
Frequency mode.
Now it works. It unlocks it. Now, we can save this,
Menu.
and I'm going to go to number 8, hit menu,
Memory channel.
and hit menu to confirm that, and the memory channel, and then I'm going to put it in 24, and then
Confirm.
confirm it. Get out of there, press and hold
Channel mode.
channel mode,
0, 2, 4.
go to 24, see if it works again. Works. Now, I need to make something clear. If you do this, be very, very, very careful, because you do not want to enter something in the NOAA frequencies, because it can transmit on those. I basically looked into this, and it does transmit on the 162 point, any frequency, basically from the 100 and, what is it? Is it 136 or a little bit higher to the I forget what it is, but it's in somewhere in that range to 160 something or 170 something, and then from the 400 to 512 megahertz. So be careful what frequencies you use and transmit on. You know, just because it does this doesn't mean you can't use any frequency. Doesn't mean that, because most of these you need a license, except for FRS. Those you're fine, and MERS. You don't need a license for MERS or FRS. For GMRS, you do need a license. You can obtain one from the FCC, which is extremely difficult to navigate on their website. And you can also do ham on this. Now, apparently, You can even transmit in other things. Now, can this do digital? I don't know. I'm not going to try it because I don't have a license to do this. I'm guessing it can. Again, I'm not sure. But just be very careful when you do this. And if you're going to log it back to where it was before, you can press and hold the, by turning it off first, and then press and hold the talk button and the number 2 and turning it back on, and then it will do that. Once you hear the little startup sound, then you can let go, and then it'll wait a little bit, and then it does it again, and this is wherever you are for last time. But keep in mind that it will delete everything else, and it'll go back to the factory defaults. So, again, just be careful on this. You know, the last thing you want to do is transmit on something and get in trouble and, you know, getting tracked and the FCC sending you a letter that says something, hey, we've noticed that you've been transmitting on a frequency that you're not allowed to. Please stop. You know, they'll give you a warning and they'll even write it down on their database. They have to, whatever happens, they have to put it in their public database system. So basically, if someone says someone was transmitting, I don't know, just things that happened, they have to put in the database. It's my understanding. Now, there's probably more to this. So please correct me if I'm wrong. So again, just be very careful on this. So yeah, that's a little thing in there. If you factory reset this whole radio back to factory defaults, it only has 2 channels on there. And I'm meaning if you actually go to the menu options and go to initialize and then factory reset the whole thing. I did this and luckily I had it back up. It will delete everything but then put channels 1 and channel 256. And I have no clue what channels those are. I'm not even going to try it because I don't want to transmit on something that actually was not meant to be. So, yeah. But anyway, if you guys have any more questions about this radio, please let me know. And if there's an update about this radio for more accessibility needs, I will be sure to let you know. I actually found the software. It's you download from their firmware website. Now, from what I could tell from their software using a screen reader on Windows, it's actually not bad for using it as a screen reader. But for other things, when you go into the system, when you go into the additional feature options, that's where it gets a little bit confusing because the screen reader does not read everything correctly for the buttons and checkboxes. So be very careful because I accidentally disabled something. And luckily, I could go back into it and use another software to kind of help me get that done. So, yeah. Now, I think there's a macOS version as well. I'm not sure. I haven't tested that. If there is, I will see how accessible that one is as well. So, yeah. But anyway, that is that. And hope you guys take care and God bless. Tai Tien. And if you guys are curious, I know in the last video, you probably heard me say thank you and see you later or goodbye in Chinese, in Mandarin Chinese. No, I do not speak it fluently. I just happen to know these from a TV show that I was told about, and I was like, okay, well, I could learn some Chinese from there. It's a kids' TV show that's no longer around. It was in the, or was it? I think it came out in 2010, I think, and I just recently heard about it. But anyway, yeah. Anyway, you guys take care, and God bless. And see you later. Tai Tien. So that's it for today's video. If you guys have any more questions, please put them down in the comments below, or you may send them to info@TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com. You can also give me a text at 913-312-1325, and if you do not live in the United States, you can text me through WhatsApp and give me a call there as well. I also have a toll-free number that you can use to give me a call at 877-318-8775. Please also follow me and like my Facebook page, The Tech Piano Player Kid, and follow me on Twitter, tech_piano. And you can also join my discussion forum on my website where you can ask questions about technology and help to answer questions about technology for the blind and stuff like this by going to TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com and clicking on the discussion board page underneath the navigation bar menu where you can register for a free account and help to answer questions and ask questions if need to be. Please make sure that you get permission from your parents if you still need to do so before making an account, just to make sure that you're on the safe side and that you don't want to get in trouble because we don't want that to happen. And you can also subscribe to my monthly newsletter if you wish by going to my website, TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com. Again, if need to be, get permission from your parents just to be on the safe side. And you can unsubscribe at any time if you wish. And if you have any trouble with unsubscribing or creating an account or deleting your account, please let me know and I will do my best to help you out. Anyway, that's it for today's video. God bless you all and peace. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out. Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications and leave a comment down below. For questions, please send an email to info@TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com. You can also give a call or text at 913-312-1325. And don't forget to like my Facebook page, The Tech Piano Player Kid, and follow me on Twitter, tech_piano. Black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille, then fades to black.